Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy bread coin on Coinbase wallet. So first of all, you want to go ahead to CoinMarketCap and you want to scroll down until you see a contracts and you want to copy the contract address right there. Now you want to go to your Coinbase wallet. If you don't have it, just download it. You can also use Coinbase application and then go to the wallet, but it's pretty easy with the wallet itself. Now you want to click on browser. And here, just go ahead and search for Uniswap. I'm just going to click on it already. Now you will be redirected to this page. You can also go ahead and get Uniswap application. But for today, we're going to just use this interface. So here you want to go ahead and sell, for example, ETH or whatever you have. We can go ahead and just leave ETH. Now to select the token, as we have copied the address already, you want to click on it. Right there, hit search for a name, paste the address, paste it. Now, you may see that there are no results found. So what you want to do is click right there on Ethereum network and click on Base because Bread is on Base network. And here you have it now. Click on Bread. And then you want to, for example, buy 20 breads. And that's how much it will cost you. Of the Ethereum, of ETH. But after this, you will be able to swap it to bread. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.